Want to stand out from the crowd and increase your sales on Walmart? If so, A+ content is the way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to create it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So first, I'm going to show you what A+ content is. This is Amazon, and if you scroll down, you're going to see all these photos, and this is A+ content. It's pretty much a lot of photos that stand out. You can also put videos in at the bottom, and this helps increase credibility and conversion. And now we're going to show you the equivalent on Walmart. So if you go to walmart.com, type in Coca-Cola, you're going to see the same exact thing, A+ content for Walmart. Let's scroll down. It should be right here. They have a lot of different things, but here it is, about the brand. And you can see they have photos, right? It's not as good as Amazon's, but hey, it does make a difference. Look how happy he is. Look how happy she is. Look how happy they are. It's definitely increasing credibility and helping them increase their sales. Now, this is also called on Walmart, it's not called A+ content. It's called below the fold content, which I think is a terrible name. But so you got A+ content for Amazon and below the fold content for Walmart, right? Walmart's trying. Okay, we give them A for effort. So how do you get this? Well, the short answer is just to go to Optiwise.ai, and this is how you enable below the fold content. Okay, so Optiwise.ai, and this is literally how you get below the fold content, right? They've got it right here, rich media, BTF, below the fold, and you can get it right here. They do have free access, and the long answer is what I'm gonna go through on why you have to use Optiwise, but let's go through the next steps. So first things first, I want you to log into Walmart, and then you're going to go to catalog, and you're going to go to media library. Make sure that you have access to this. If not, you need to be a registered brand to have access to this. So get access to this, then you're able to enable videos on your listings and 360 spin on your listings. But you need to be a registered brand on Walmart for the next steps. Once you're a registered brand, I went directly to Walmart itself, and we scrolled all the way down, and we can see below the fold content and where it is and how to add it. So the only way right now on Walmart to add below the fold content is you need to be a registered brand, which is why I just told you, and you need to use one of these services. So either Optiwise, which I just told you because it's free, Cellcord, a lot of these different names, Salsify or Salsify, however you want to pronounce it. So there's a lot of different things, right? So the 360 spin images and the videos, I just showed you how to do it, right? Once you get a registered brand. For below the fold content, for your content to look like this, and to get this on your listing to help you increase sales, is you need to go to Optiwise.ai, and it literally shows you it. This is directly from Walmart. Walmart does not have below the fold content themselves. They must be making money off of third parties, and they're letting third parties do it for right now. So you can go to Optiwise. It literally says it right here, and it says replicate your success on the marketplace, manage and grow. So it's pretty decent, and they can help you grow on Walmart. And here you can see learn more, rich media, and it's going to show you different features. So create for free. Again, it's free. I believe it's free for 5 listings. We're gonna look at the pricing, but again, it shows you, and they're a legit partner. It literally shows it on Walmart's website. You can check out the pricing. The pricing is free for up to 5 products, which isn't that bad. After that, it becomes $149 a month, which is way too expensive. So I think Walmart's getting a cut. But free isn't bad. I recommend you definitely try it out. Not only that, but we did receive an email directly from Walmart in December that says, again, to use the same what's their company name? Optiwise.ai, right? Because it's free. So Walmart's promoting it, right? Looking to amp your listings below the fold, get started. So right now, Walmart doesn't officially have it, but Optiwise does. So you use Optiwise as a third party, and then you tell them what you want. you create that content, and then they automatically push it through to your listings, and then you have this. The benefit of this is pretty much nobody, almost nobody, even the big brands, don't have below the fold content. So you getting it will increase your sales. It just will. So you might as well test it out, try it out, because soon everybody's going to be doing it. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on if you're going to test out below the fold content and why. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help increasing your sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in our description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z management service where we'll manage your Walmart account. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, implementing Optiwise.ai and other tools, Walmart advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end or just monitoring things. We can do that for you, send you reports every day and updates with goals each week. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.